back to our next step. We got the car cut off to length, got the axles put in. Now it's time to start putting through our front view cuts. So I'm going to go have car for modeling. A few things to understand with this is if I go to front view x-ray mode and I take a peek at this CO2 cartridge I actually have drawn 3 millimeters larger than it needs to be in diameter and in length. What that's doing is just keeping you away from that CO2 cartridge. We need to have some material there to be able to make this work and keep it a safe process. So I'm going to go have car for modeling again. I'm going to go to front view and we can talk how we're working our CO2 car. First of all, underneath the cartridge hole, or underneath the axle hole, I can't make any cuts. And if I take a look at this, I see it purple. That gives me the warning that I forgot to do something. I forgot to edit component. Now it's red and blue. I'm happy with that. And green. Purple is bad. So I can't cut underneath the axle hole here at all. So I have to start in front of the axle and move my way this way. So right now I'm just using some pencil to make some sharp edges, making sure to stay connected. But maybe I get to the point where I want to curve some stuff. The arc I like to curve with is this 2-point arc here. What I do is I go where I want it to start, where I want it to end, and how much I want it to bend. When I see it turn blue, that tells me it's tangent right here. So it's a nice smooth curve. And maybe I'll tip it back up. Even though this is bad for aerodynamics, it's kind of cool looking. So I come all the way through. You can come to edges, you can break this up as much as you want. And you can come underneath if you want to as well. Just can't go underneath that axle. And maybe there. So kind of getting my car straightened out. I got to do a cut on it, so I'm going to go to isometric projection. Push pull, and again, just like before, push pull all the way off the back. Push pull all the way off the back here, all the way off the back here, and all the way off the back here. And it should start to come together. So if I go back to full car, I want to get rid of these guidelines here. So I'm just going to use the eraser and clean those up. And I can start to see what my car is going to look like. And that is a front view cut. You can use any of these tools to make front view cuts